Ta-da! Here's a little before. We're going to change the bumper, the grill on this little Forester. Just happens to belong to my wife. She's probably going to be pretty mad when I take the front end off the car. It'll be worth it in the end. Pulled the bumper off, make sure that it didn't have damage underneath. So the crash bar, everything is good. A little damage to splash shield, but all we're going to have to do is prep the new bumper, get it to the body shop. We're going to test fit all the parts to it. You can see where this bumper was hit is actually damage that was on the car whenever we bought it. Some of the goodies we have a mesh grill, have an underspoiler, got a brand new Subaru bumper, so all the parts will fit together good. And we're going to get these things prepped up and get them to paint hopefully tomorrow, and get this thing put back together for Christmas. I have everything loosely put on the car. Got to take and actually sand the lower spoiler. Cannot get the matching factory color anymore. So the grill is the correct color. The under spoiler, the original bumper, everything is going to look good. Now this just kind of shows here how the under spoiler, it just kind of conforms to the factory bumper. And it kind of snaps over the bottom. It's really pretty cool. It's the second one I put on. I don't want to get it all the way into place because I don't want to handle the bumper and everything and risk getting contaminants on it for the paint shop. So I know everything's going to fit, no underlying damage. So this is going to be pretty cool. Now I got to get everything sanded.